Hi everyone, you are back on your channel, honghanhtools. What if you have 100, 1,000, or 10,000 Twitter accounts? This is called the X account. If you have such a large number of accounts, you have to log in every day, one by one nick, so that you can actually post completely by manual way. Then today, I will give you a software. Let me help you. It can be completely automated on the X platform. The software I want to show you, that's MeetEdgar software, as you can see. So this is the interface of this software. Then here, first before posting, then prepare yourselves for the content that you want to post. Then you enter the software. You want to enter the content. Software. You choose let yourself in. This content management. Then you can choose let me in. Add a category. This list is going to help you. Maybe storage? Posts that people want to post. I will enter the auto demo. After entering this, I added the number. It will be added to the list. This is as you can see. It added the category of demo auto here. The next thing you need to do is add this post. If you post full text content, then the software helps you to post. Or you want to upload a photo, you just need to select the photo here. Its software is to help you can automatically post more photos. Here I have the content. Content is ready. I will copy paste here. Let's say you want to add random numbers to change the content. Then you can add your dollar number to it. This will be random. Is any number of these or smile dollars? Then it will be random selection of icons in the article. After adding content to the software, you choose to save to add content to the software. People just need prepare yourself for the content that people want to post in. Software only. That's more success. The next step is to guide you as you can. I will continue to add content to this post. Select post attached image. Download this FAD with this photo post potatoes with photos. Then people select let me select the video. Then you can choose let me be the image that people want to post. Please choose this logo. After the correction is done, people just have to choose like this. I've just completed the operations. I just added them to this software. Here I want to see, and you want to check out what people want to see, right? Then everyone choose let me be here the dot. After that, everyone chooses all. Everyone press load. It's going to be all the content that people have just added to the software. After that, choose yourself as a leader. This is viral marketing. This software help you can be posted on this personal page. Post to the communities, this group or post per account, and upload articles or send automated messages. These functions are what I am doing. Will be in the following videos. And today, I will be your guide. Post on the personal page here. Function number of concurrent threads. That's the number of nicks you want to run at the same time. Running is what will be the nick number. Post at the same time, I will enter 3 nicks. The distance between 2 posts. I'll be around 30 to 45 seconds. You choose select post. Then you press load will display the articles that you add to the software. Then you choose the articles you want to post. I have for content. I will choose all offline. The software is to help you, whether to post randomly or to post in order. This will be a random selection. And after choosing this, you guys, I want to live this post. After posting the live post, it is a comment. Everybody check in here for me. Here I have prepared the comments. This is my WhatsApp inbox, or Telegram at honghant, or contact. My Quay Telegram and WhatsApp I have already added to posts. After adding it, then you can select let me be this box checked here. Let it be all out. It's all your accounts. Then you can just turn on let me get started. It's software. It will be help you can be automatic posting about the individual page that goes to that automated guest instead of you being manual. Now you can use the software to help. You can be automatic.